how to make a model rocket?
Yes.
Well, you just pretend like you just finished it, because the directions will help you with that. And you'll learn about this in just a few seconds. Before you put in that, you have to cut some of this. Because this is cheaper than the stuff you're supposed to use.
Mm-hmm.
But it has to be flame-proof.
Yes.
But Daddy, can I cut it?
Yes.
Okay. And then you just crumble it up and put it in there as far as you can. Is this far enough?
I think so.
And then I'll tell you how to fold this up. You fold it in half like this. Then you fold it like that. Then you turn it up, and then you put the point down, then you roll it up, then you twist this around, and then you put this in. Just give me a few seconds for this. And then you put this in. And then you put the rocket top in, and then you're ready to go. Wait, just stop for a second. And instead of getting this one, try to read it. Then the other rockets are, wait, those are the directions. But you're not ready to go yet, actually. Here it is. For some of the extra ones, there's even more than this. Those are all of the extra ones. But you're not ready to fly it yet. Oh, maybe while you're there at the rocket launching place, you might get one of these. Look how big this model rocket is. Okay. And then you put this wherever it needs to go. Wait, what is this plug for, Daddy?
They're to hold the igniters in the engine.
Okay. And then you get one of these. But it has to be the number it comes with. Mine is a B84. And then you put this in. Wait. Yep, it's the right way. Then you pull this thing right here back. Then you put that in. Then you hold it there. Then does this go in here? Does this go?
Once you have an igniter.
And then you're ready to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.